What is going on YouTube? My name is Brandon once again with another video, and today we're going to be adding a carbon fiber lip to my front bumper for the 435i, 435xi. Either way, let's get it. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be my first, I guess, exterior modification I've done in the car, so I'm definitely excited for that because outside is looking way too stock. Like underneath the hood, definitely got the power, I got the tune and everything going on, but it needs to look a little bit better, I would say. So yes, carbon fiber lip is going to be going on, and I'm super excited because that's going to completely transform the front end, like without a doubt. I mean, honestly, I like this front end. I do like the M front bumper a little bit more just because it has like the, I don't know what they have on the end, but has like that kick on the side on the front bumper. But you know, clearly the 435 doesn't have that, so I'm trying to just jazz it up a little bit and make it a little bit more aggressive. By taking this car out, we just actually bought this 325, I believe it is, convertible for my dad for his birthday. So we're gonna move that out, and then we're gonna bring my 435 in, and then we're gonna lift it up, and we're gonna get to the install. So in this box, we have this beautiful carbon fiber lip. I don't know why I keep saying splitter. But it's also 3 pieces, which is really dope. So actually, I mean, I'm not wrong to call it a splitter because of the fact that this part right here, oh shit, I hope I didn't just crack it because that would suck. But yeah, it's like a splitter right here on the bottom. Alright, one cool thing is that it already has the holes already pre-drilled, so that's dope. I don't have to worry about drilling into this and then, you know, just messing up the way that it screws in. Yeah, that's dope. Already dope. Alright, so I drilled 2 holes out. There's already like indentations where the holes should be, so I drilled one over here, and I'm gonna kind of mock it up. So I'm gonna put one side, drill it in, other side, drill it in, and then kind of work the holes in as I go along, so that way I don't have to do half a side and then another half a side. On yet, but here's an update. I put the 2 screws in on the side, and now I just have to drill the rest of the holes that are like, there's like one there, and then there's 2 in the center. So once I do those, it'll be all installed. We'll take it out in the daylight and take some pics. Wow, so I just realized that my camera was not recording all that. So literally, I think the last thing it got me of like me on the left side of the car working. I literally, wow, I'm actually kind of happy that the camera cut out, because I just did the dumbest thing ever. I was literally like finished up, as you can see, like I actually finished cleaning up and everything. I had that on, or at least I thought that was gonna be on camera. Cleaned up everything, went to back the car out. So I went to back the car out and watch this. I made an idiot mistake, and I actually forgot that my car was still on the jack stand. So luckily my car is stock height, so it kind of just tipped the jack stand over, and it wasn't really up that much, so it took the jack stand over, fell underneath, and I was able to just drag it out. Had my car been lowered, my whole side skirt would have been like just completely ruined. So like I'm really happy, really blessed that that didn't happen. But I'm also really pissed that I didn't get any of that footage, because I was really under their car, like slaving, drilling and stuff like that, getting the front lip up of there. So we're gonna bring this out into the light and see how this looks. And I now know the reason why it cut out, and that's because I'm recording on my iPhone 10 and I got a phone call, so I guess it stopped and never continued. F him out. It's not bad.